Celebrating Guru Purab. Guru Purab is the anniversary of Guru Nanak Ji's birthday. The term Guru Purab, a compound of the word Purab, Parva in Sanskrit, meaning a festival or celebration with the word Guru, first appeared at the time of the Gurus. A religious festival. Guru Purab is a mixture of the religious and the festive. During these celebrations, the Sikh holy book, the Guru Granth Sahib, is read in homes and Gurudwaras in a single continuous reading lasting 48 hours. This reading, known as the Akhand Path, must be read without interruption. So a relay of reciters take turns at reading it. Processions mark the day. Sikhs march in processions through towns and cities, chanting the holy hymns. Special langars or community meals are held for the participants. Partaking of a common meal on these occasions is reckoned an act of merit. Akhand Path is performed in Gurudwaras. A day before, a procession is organized, which is led by the Panj Pyare or 5 youth and the Palki, Palanquin of Guru Granth Sahib, and followed by teams of singers singing hymns, brass bands playing different tunes, Gatka martial art teams show their swordsmanship, and processionists singing the chorus. Langar, the communal feast. After ardas and distribution of Kara Prasad, the langar is served. Langars are community kitchens in the Sikh faith, meaning the public not only joins in preparing the community lunch by kneading the dough for puris and preparing the halwa, but also enjoying the meal served on pattals, leaf plates, after a hard day's work. It is such a beautiful tradition of Sikhism. Prabhat Feri. Come November and the Sikh community begin their morning processions, or what they call Prabhat Feris. In these pre-dawn groups, the spiritually inclined believers gather together and walk through the familiar streets, singing bhajans and playing simple instruments like the dholak and the manjira, spreading a beautiful aura of warmth in these cold mornings, while the rest of the world lies huddled under blankets. Spiritual Sarovar. Followers of the Sikh faith rise early, bathe, and sit to meditate on this profound mantra, focusing on the sound and meaning of each word, which is recited with a tiny pause in between. If you hear its recitation, you will be floored. You feel as if you can hear the echoes rippling over the waters of the pristine Sarovar around the Golden Temple in faraway Amritsar. The Pagdi. It is mandatory for devout Sikhs to wear a turban. It is intended to protect their hair, which they don't cut, and to keep it clean. For centuries, Sikhs have worn turbans in battle. A Sikh values his turban as part of his religious duties. The turban or pagdi, also called pag or dastar, is associated with one of 5 mandates announced by Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, that Sikhs should not cut their hair. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.